Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to continue our Python Bootcamp series. Okay. So what is the topic? We are going to learn operator overloading. Operator overloading means you can use operator. For example, plus, minus, equals to, less than, greater than, which were on objects. By defining a special method, we are going to use magic methods like underscore underscore add underscore 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 sub for subtraction, underscore underscore mul underscore multiplication to object. Okay, so we have lots of overloading, sorry, magic methods. So we can use these method in inside the with- in operator overloading. Okay, so I I I I use add to object. Okay, I want to add to object by using add method, or you can say by using plus. So normally plus work for number 10 plus 20, but with operator overloading you can do object 1 plus object 2. Why does this work? Because n1 plus n2 internally call. Okay, and like this n1 dot add n2. So this is called a overloading. Why? Because you are giving a new meaning to plus for your custom class object instead of normal built-in method. So I'm just going to share my screen. Here you can see operator overloading means you can use these operator plus, minus, equals to, less than, greater than. Okay, so here these are the magic method. I already complete this method in a previous video. Okay, so here this is for add, this is for subtraction, this is for multiplication, this is for division of two numbers. This is for like check if two number are equal or not. It is for less than the another. Okay, and greater than the other, this one. Okay, so here we are going to use add, or you can say plus. Add to object by using plus. So like we have 10 plus 20. So plus work for number, this plus operator. But for object operator, you can do like this object 1 and object 2. Why this work? Why does this work? Because n1 plus n2 internally call like this. I mean, this plus means in Python it internally call n1 dot add n2. This is the magic method and add. So this is internally call n1 dot add n2. So that's why it is working 10 plus 20 for numbers like this. Why this is called overloading? Because you are giving new meaning to plus operator for your custom class instead of normal building built-in meaning. Okay, so this is the class for number, and this is the first constructor that is in it. Okay, here we just passed value, and this is variable self dot value. Here we are going to store value, and this is for overloading because I want to add two numbers. Okay, so here this is for other value, this is for value 1. Okay, so return self dot value and plus other dot value. Okay, so here number 1 equals to 10 and number 2 equals to already, you can give here any number. Okay, so now n2 equals to number 20. Okay, I'm going to print n1 n2, n1 plus n2. Okay, so internally it will call like this n1 dot add n2. Okay, So here it will give you 30. See here. Okay. Now I am going to use this one, string. Okay. Overlapping, string overlapping. So here by is this operator overlapping. String is not a math operator. Okay. A string is not a plus minus. So by it is called a over operator overloading. Got it? String is not a math operator like plus. It is count as a operator overlapping because you are customizing how Python should behave when a specific built-in operation is used. In this example, we can see here like this. We are going to print object like this, print object. But internally it will call string object like this. Okay, we are print object like this, but internally it will call the sorry it will print the string like this. It is used data type string and object. Here before print I need internally this will work like this, str and object. Okay, so what Python normally does, if you print object without str, you get something like this person object at something like this. Okay, this is called a memory address of the object. This is the default behavior. String is a operator overloading because you can change how Python convert your object into a string when using print or string. Okay, so if you are going to remove this, okay, this is our class person. This is a constructor has name, and I already stored name in self.name equals to name. Okay, and this is the object for class person, and here I'm passing Nidhi name. Okay, I'm just going to print this object p. So oh, I just need, so it will give you but it is not working. Wait a minute, it will work. If it is not work, I'm just going to close this. Okay, I can't wait more than this. I just need to close. I'm going to open this again. Now I want to rerun this. Oh, still not working. Okay, so if we are use here str, okay, then it will print the name. Okay, now it is not working. That's why I'm not showing my kernel is not working. It's stuck in somewhere. I already showed you here. In this example, we have a string like this. Okay, so if you are going to remove this line, it will give you object like this. Otherwise, if you use underscore underscore str underscore underscore self, then it will give you result like this, represent in a proper string operator overloading because you change how Python convert your object into a string when using print or str. I hope guys you got it. This is called a operator overloading. String is immutable like sky. String is the sequence